Grade 4, Module 5, Lesson 25 homework. Problem number 1. Convert each mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. Okay, so we need to convert it to a mixed number that's greater than 1. Draw a number line to model your work. Letter A. Let's look and see how they did it so then we can use that as a sample. Letter A says 3 1/4. Well, if we skip to go to 3, and we're talking about wanting a unit of force, that would create 12 force. And then we still have 1/4 left over because we wanted 3 1/4. So that's where they have 12 force plus 1/4 makes 13 force. So we're converting a mixed number to a fraction. So let's look and see how we're going to do this. Letter B. We have 4 2/5 that we want to convert to a fraction. I'm actually going to start mine by separating it 4 plus 2/5 and then go for the number line. So when I look at a number line, I'm going to go between 0 and 5 because 4 2/5 is between 0 and 5, or between 4 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I need to separate this into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 makes 5. 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 And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 makes 5. So we need to figure out from 0 to 4 how many fifths are there. Well, how many fifths are there in 4? You can either count each tick mark, or you can think if I have fifths, and I want to figure out how many fifths are in 4 ones, you get 20 fifths are in 4 ones. This is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20 as blocks. So you're looking at 20 fifths, but the problem wants us to add on 2 fifths more. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And where am I now? I'm at 4 2/5. Which, if I think about what that is as a fraction, it's 20 fifths plus 2 fifths, and that makes 22 fifths. So we've just converted a mixed number to a fraction that's greater than 1. You try letter C. I'm going to do letter D. 3 7/10 is 3 plus 7/10. I like to start by separating that so that when I do my number line, I know what I'm separating. So 3 7/10 is going to be between 3 and 4. So we're going to go up to 4. 0, 1, 2. I'm going to need more space so I can see that. 3 and 4. And I have units of tenths, so I'm going to go ahead and put my tenths units in. Alright, there's my number line divided into tenths. So I want to add 3 plus 7/10. So I'm going to make an arrow that goes all the way to 3. Well, how many tenths are in 3? So I want my units to be in tenths. You can either count these 10, 20, 30, or you may just know that 30 tenths makes 3, because 30 divided by 10 makes 3. And yet I still want 7 more, so let's go ahead and count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go to right here. So this is going to be plus my 7/10. So this is going to look like 30 tenths plus 7/10, and that's going to make 37 tenths as a fraction that's greater than 1.